Welcome. Please find yourself in a comfortable place, somewhere you can sit for a little while and relax. You can either place your hands face up on your legs or in your lap, whatever feels most comfortable. Allow the body to rest. There is nothing else you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Allow your awareness to sink down deep into your body, to settle. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to imagine yourself walking towards a calm blue lake, noticing white fluffy clouds overhead, feeling the warmth of the sun on your skin. Now imagine that lake. The water is calm and smooth and warm. Imagine walking out into the lake and finding a raft and laying yourself down on the raft with the sun shining on the body. And you close your eyes and you feel completely at peace. Allow the feeling of calm relaxation to float over the body, to wash down from the crown of the head to the tips of your toes. Feel the warmth of the sun shining on the body. Hear the gentle lapping of the water of the lake. Perhaps there are other sounds that you hear. Notice the feeling of release. When you are able, look up in the sky, again looking at the fluffy white clouds overhead, noticing that the clouds are moving with a gentle breeze, perhaps feeling the breeze against your skin. Just watch as the clouds move and transform, simply noticing the movement. If you are having thoughts, if they are taking you on a journey, if they are coming into the mind, imagine sending them back out and looking up at the clouds and writing them or sending them into the clouds. And watching the thoughts roll away. Perhaps there's feelings in the body that you'd like to release. Send those feelings up into the clouds. Simply watching the clouds move away, allowing them to disappear. Easily releasing these thoughts, emotions, feelings. When you are ready, We are going to come back into the body, into some awareness. Perhaps we wiggle our toes and move our fingers, or take a big, long, deep breath in and out. When you are ready, opening the eyes. Thank you so much for participating in this meditation with me. Namaste.